Kubor nakaslab jong unongsan hima.
Kajingjur jong uslap hakini ki kendiat sngi hakeleng kejela kala penjulor ya ki kato kani ki yeng bat kajingtua jong ka khendau kala pakhang lenti ya ki surak haki kato kani ki district habaya keren badu menteri badai pet ya katanap state disaster management uba kermen shela ulaong Baman la kasnap ya kendo ya kini ki jingjia kum ke jingtua jong ki lum kiwa kabakta ya ki ying kisem badro ya ki surang ka jingjur jong uslap hakini ki kendiat sngi kalakta hakikato kani ki district kum ka South Garo Hills bad ka South West Khasi Hills hakini ki arpusau kenta bun ki jingjia kum ke jinghap kendo kabalakta ya ki pajba nonglek nongwan ha South Garo Hills district ha ke jingwan lengshop jong kamaryang kaladon ke jingjia jong ke jingman sau jong uwei ubreo bat ke jingsha penjulor ya ki kato kani teli ki yeng ha Southwest Khasi Hills kadon ke jingsha penjulor jong ke jingking ding ha ke snong mau ko pen Henry ke bas ngokumen kalong bahadu menta kampat don kano ke jingjia ke bas ngausi nakalyang umentri jong katanat state disaster management uba kermen ula kentui ki pajba baro bakin husiar namar ngimtip hakendo kapor ka jingjia kanjia.
In every year we have witnessed this situation where we have to face landslide, flood and so many things because of this heavy rain. So I have a few records here which happened last 24 hours. In last 24 hours in South Garo Hills district, landslide and flash flood occurred on the 30th June 2021 under Bagmara and Gaswa Para Sin RD block. And then in Southwest Khasi Hills, heavy rainfall occurred on the 30th June 2021 at Maukarwat. And then where in these two districts, population affected in South Garo Hills, 22% were affected. And in Southwest Khasi Hills, 1,000 people were affected. Where in South Garo Hills, one is injured, and then we have house damage, 3 partially damaged house that is in South Garo Hills, and we have one more infrastructure damage that is wooden bridge at Mau Kophet. That is the report which we have collected as of now, the last 24 hours. But happy to say that out of all this situation happened, we don't have any loss of life. So that is one good news. But I would like to request to our people, we have witnessed from time to time that every year we suffer from this landslide, flood and so many kind of calamities happen in our state. So the best thing is that, and I would like to request each and everyone that to be alert, because never know how will we face this situation. But it's just that from department, from our officers, they are doing the best and they will try to update from time to time what kind of situation we might face. But beside that, the best thing is that for each and every one of us to take care of ourselves and to be alert. And if you found anything could happen or had happened, so please inform our officers who's nearby, or you can contact us directly also if possible. But additional forces as of now we have not sent, but yes, whenever we got any information, especially from Deputy Commissioner, we deploy these forces from our disaster management department, where it will be additional force to us. But as of now, if only required, that will be added. But as of now, we give it to the hand of the Deputy Commissioner, where they will try to tackle the situation. Yeah, that will be at a later stage. As of now, we have not decided for this because we are waiting reports. If severe damage happen, then we will be going soon. As of now, we have not decided that because of this situation. This pandemic is quite difficult for us, and we have to find how do we go there also, because at the end we have to think, even this pandemic also, it caused a lot of problem for us.